y'all, I'm Devin Reyes with League Real Estate, and this morning we are at our darling new listing at 6631 Lakeside Drive in Lake Worth, and we're just minutes from, you guessed it, the lake. We're also close to all sorts of conveniences, and this home is a quite literal top to bottom remodel, and it's absolutely precious. We can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check it out. The Crestwood neighborhood in Lake Worth is such a great location. Anything and everything that you can think of is nearby in terms of shopping and conveniences. And everything looks crisp and new. You've got an almost new roof on here, brand new windows, all new exterior paint and landscaping. So you walk through this precious red front door and you come in and you go, wow, this whole place is totally remodeled. But one of the surprising features about this home and what I love so much are these high ceilings throughout. They're not just in the living room, they're in all the bedrooms too. There's skylights in both of the bathrooms, and it makes everything feel bigger and brighter and more spacious. The kitchen was opened up to the living room and the breakfast area, creating that sense of spaciousness and brightness. Everything in the kitchen was totally replaced, and now it's this sweet, perfect place to gather up and cook dinner. And the brand new HVAC system, you will enjoy some additional energy efficiency savings from all of these improvements. The backyard is a really great size and very private. You will enjoy making it your own. You've got a great foundation back here. So y'all, if you have fallen in love with this darling home in this great established neighborhood close to the lake, you can reach out to me for more information, or you can go to leaguere.com.